It was a busy day on Saturday, June 19, 2021, in Minersville, PA, as a benefit steam train ride was held on the Reading and Northern for engineer Chris Bost. Chris often can be found in the cab of one of the Reading and Northern steam locomotives when they are running trips along the line. Earlier this year, he was diagnosed with CIDP, chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, a neurological disorder that targets the body's nerves, causing fatigue, pain, numbness, and weakness in both arms and legs, which makes daily functions, especially walking, extremely difficult, sometimes impossible. CIDP is not curable, but is manageable via various treatments and medications. Chris cannot return to work for the foreseeable future, so to help with various expenses, the Railway Restoration Project 113 group partnered with the Reading and Northern Railroad to host a benefit train ride behind Central Railroad of New Jersey 060 number 113 over some rare mileage. The locomotive was brought from its home base in Minersville to the Y in Pottsville to be turned ahead of time to face southward, opposite of how it usually faces, for a trip to the railroad shops in Port Clinton. There it would be turned on the turntable to face its usual northward direction and pull the train back to Minersville. The weather held out for the southbound runs, but as the train worked its way back north, the clouds moved in, rain started to fall, and it ended up being a wet rest of the day. Enjoy this footage of Chris Bost's benefit train ride, as seen trackside along the Reading and Northern. The benefit trip was so popular that extra seating was added, and as of the day of the trip, had been completely sold out. A pig roast took place afterwards at the Minersville station for those who rode the train. Thanks for watching. Please visit bigjimvideo.com for more. You can visit my YouTube channel by clicking on the logo, or you can watch another video by clicking on the video link above.